Speaking of R's, did you notice how David Diggs pronounces them differently? As Lafayette, listen to how he says France and revolutionary, for example.
I ask for French aid, I pray that France has sent a ship. The Lancelot of the revolutionary set.
It's actually the back of his tongue coming up to the soft part of the back of his mouth and throat, kind of like where we make our K sound. K, k, r, r. Now compare those to how he says the R's as Thomas Jefferson in France and Revolution.
France is following us to revolution. They say I'm a Francophile, at least they know I know where France is. Susan, revolution is messy, but now is the time to stand.
You should feel the tip of your tongue curling. R, r. If you know how to articulate a sound, you can then also connect those sounds better.